pure craziness, man. There's no visibility here. Oh man, this winter storm came out of nowhere, man. I heard it's supposed to be like 40 degrees tomorrow too. Is that true?
Yeah, I think later this week it's supposed to get to be 40.
Yeah, this
This
is
is all
pure
gonna be
craziness.
slush.
Just beat this guy in online chess. He was destroying me the whole game. And I somehow checkmated him. Let me see. Cancel. Check this out. I'm black. He had me this whole game. It was insane. It was like, oh my god. He is from the United Kingdom. Duckenham Dave. You fucking suck. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. And you had and I made your ass. Boom.